Hey guys, it's Wendy with Fab Crafts and More, and I just wanted to do a quick video to show you what is new with Cricut and JoAnn Fabrics. So here I am on the JoAnn Fabric website, and last night I was doing a search for Cricut accessories to see what was on sale, and there have been a lot of sales on Cricut merchandise at various craft stores and even on the Cricut website. So when a lot of stuff goes on sale and stays on sale for an extended period of time, it's a pretty good clue that there are new things to come. So I'm going to come up into the search and type in Cricut, and let's see what pops up. So of course the Maker. The Maker's newish, and I have a Maker and I love it, but if we scroll down, what's this? Purple Easy Press Special Edition Wisteria bundle, and right over here is the JoAnn exclusive Cricut Ecplore Air 2 in the Special Edition Wisteria bundle. Check this out. It is so cute. Purple is one of my favorite colors. I've actually been thinking about getting an Ecplore Air 2 to go along with my Maker. Why? I don't know, because I want to. But the bundle, okay, let's talk about the bundle, because here on this picture you can see it comes with several very cute accessories and materials. So over here in the description, I'm just going to kind of sneak down to what is included in the bundle and everything you need to start projects right away. The extra large scraper and weeder tool in Wisteria, fine point pen set in lilac petals, 6 sheets of holographic sparkle vinyl, which is this right here, I'll zoom in on that, which is 2 pink, 2 teal, and 2 purple, 4 sheets of holographic sparkle iron-on, 2 gold and 2 silver, that's these right here, 2 sheets of the new Sport Flex, so that is new iron-on, and it is supposed to be stretchier for athletic materials, and that is new also. So that would be cool to test out with your new Wisteria colored Cricut. 1 white iron-on, and so there's the white iron-on there, and foil embossed paper. It's kind of hard to see here. Let's click on this one and see if we can get a little closer. I think these papers are foil embossed. There's 6 pink and 6 silver, and that I believe is the pink is these flowers and the silver is oh, it looks like there actually might be some other prints underneath there. Okay, let's flick through the photos here and see if we can get a better view. So yeah, there are 6 pink and 6 silver papers, and they're going to be in different patterns. It's just hard to see what all the patterns are actually going to be, but zooming in here you can kind of get a little bit of an idea of what they might be. So the new exclusive from JoAnn Cricut Ecplore Air 2 Special Edition Wisteria machine. The bundle is $329.99. Let's click back here. There's a Wisteria tool set. There is the Wisteria Special Edition Easy Press. I don't have my Easy Press yet, so I'm kind of thinking that I might go for the purple. Now, because these new products are out, that means the old products like this Cricut Ecplore Air 2 Rose Bundle is on sale big time. So regularly $329.99 and now it is on sale for $199.99. So this is a great time to take advantage of the sale items. Now that there are some new items coming out, there's a lot on sale. So if you're on a budget, or if you like pink better than purple, then this might be your new purchase. So it's a savings of $130. That's a really great price to get into a Cricut. Here the bundle includes the Air 2 Rose Machine, 12x12 Strong Grip, 12x12 Light Grip Mat, replacement blade. You get a 3-month Cricut Access membership. That's a good deal. I purchased my Cricut Maker at a different store and I only got 2 weeks of Cricut Access. So that's a good deal there. You get the Cricut Explore Antiquity pen set, tags, bags, boxes, and more, 2 digital cartridge, lipstick lettering font. Oh wow, you get some cool stuff in here. Pen Pals font, and then of course the USB cord, accessory adapter, and the Getting Started guide. So if, like I said, you are on a budget, if you are just, like to get a great deal, now is the time for you to get a great deal on the Rose Bundle from JoAnn. And if you just have to have the purple Ecplore Air 2, here it is. Now let's click on this one more time because last night they were not in stock online. I don't have any at my local store right now, but it looks like they have now launched it today and it is available on JoAnn's website to order. So, and it looks like there is $4.99 at the top here, $4.99 shipping on all orders. Hopefully that doesn't exclude, because we all know that a lot of the coupons don't always include Cricut, and this might be too heavy. But just add it to your cart, check it out, even if you have to pay for shipping. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, guys, that's all for today. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this new Wisteria bundle from JoAnn. Subscribe to the channel so that you can become aware of fun new products like this. And I will leave a link in the description to order your new Wisteria bundle and any accessories. All right, guys, have a good Sunday.